Hi, this side Kuldeep, and in today's demo we'll see what happened when we are processing few hundred records in a cursor for loop and exception happen. Now for the demonstration purpose, I have this block in, in my desk screen, and you can see we are going to process this employee data, and we'll insert data into this bonus table, and then payroll table will update flag as a y. And since we are now more doing focus on exception, so we have here explicitly raised one exception to see what will happen with the previous record. And here in exception section we have captured this exception, but in here in exception section we just printing the employee ID for which we are getting error. We have not done any rollback explicitly. So let's see what will happen. Let me first open this employee table, and what is here. Yeah, currently 10 record is there. Let me one minute, guys. Now let me first clear this table. Now at the time table has 0 records, so, and this bonus table also has no record. And let me check this payroll table. This table also do not have any records. So let me first populate the data. So for the populate, first I am populating data into employee tables, and then I am populating data into payroll table with the flag as n. So bonus table I don't have any record right now. So let me now open this table. Now at the time I have 10 records. This 10 record is present in employee table, and let me open another table, this bonus table. Bonus table also has bonus table has no record. And let me open this payroll table. Payroll table has 10 records with all are flagged with n. Now here for the record number 9, what I am doing, I am explicitly raising exception. So first let me run this block to see what will happen. Yeah, this block successfully completed. Now first let me check this bonus table, because we are inserting here. So ideally there are 10 records in employee table, and for one record we got something error, or we can say it's a bad record. So ideally for remaining 9 records data should insert. Let's see, data is inserted here in bonus record, and in payroll data is inserted. Even for 9th record also it updated as y. Ideally if there is something error happen for that record, we need to do rollback. Means there should be we ideally roll back the entire transaction for that particular record. So ideally this bonus table should not be here, but since we do not have any rollback written in our exception block, so by default Oracle do rollback for those statement where the exception occurred. So the previous data, it means previous DMLs, bonus and payroll will be successfully inserted, which is actually wrong. So ideally, what we can do, we can roll back the data. So let's suppose in second scenario I am using this rollback. Let me go this side. Here only. Let me first clear the data to see the what happened when we will add a rollback in our exception block. Now all the table is now truncated. Now I am inserting populating data in employee table, again populating data in payroll table. Now here in the same way I am again real SQL successfully completed. Let me open this record. See, due to this rollback, exception occurred at 9th record. So it means all the record processed till 9 is rolled back. But our purpose is, since 9th is a bad record, we only need to exclude 9 and rest everything should be processed. So it means you can say writing rollback is not recommended here. Not recommended means due to this rollback, entire previous processing is also rolled back. So it means somehow we need to do partial rollback for the record number 9, so that all the previous process data 1 to 8 and then after 9 10 will be or successfully will get captured. So for these, for partial rollback, what we can do, we can add a save point. Let me show you the demo here. What I have created, I have created one save point, and in exception block, instead of rollback, what I am doing here, I am doing rollback till before insert. Before insert means this is the save point. So what will happen whenever exception will happen, whatever the current row ID, current employee ID, let's suppose 9. So whatever transaction happen for this 9, all will be rolled back due to this save point. Let me show you first. Let me truncate this table. Table is truncated. Let me again populate this data. Now here you can see 10 employee in payroll. I can see 10 records with all as N flag. Currently bonus is blank, has no records. Let me run this block. It is successfully completed, and then let me check what happened here. Since we have printed DBMS output, so here we can see for employee ID 9 something error happened. So let me open the table, bonus. Here, see bonus table, 1 to 10 data is present, 9 is missing. Why missing? Because we have rolled back till this before insert. And let me check this payroll. See, now 9th is N. So in this way we can process the remaining data whenever we are processing few hundred or thousand records in a cursor for loop. Let's suppose few of the records are bad, so instead of completely failing the process, we can process the good record, and we can roll back partial data, or and roll back the transaction for all, not for all, for the records where we are getting error. So hope you guys have understood with rollback, without rollback, and rollback till certain point, that is save point. So hope you like this video, and thank you.